Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Looker Studio Excel connection. While it's possible to connect to Microsoft Excel files in Looker Studio, there are a couple of limitations. To connect to Excel files, go to Create, go to Data Source and choose the Microsoft Excel connector. By default, you have 2 gigabytes of Microsoft Excel files, which you can upload, but there's 100 megabytes per file limitation. To upload an Excel file, just go to Upload File and just pick an Excel file. I've got the same data set as we're looking at in the last video as an Excel file. I'm just going to open that up. And this will upload this Excel file. And a lot of the options here are very similar to Google Sheets with 1 or 2 differences. So I can select my worksheet, I can include the entire worksheet. Or I can include a specific range of that worksheet. I can use the first row as headers for sheet range. Unlike sheets, they do not need to be unique, but they are recommended to be unique. I can include hidden and filtered cells, and I can skip a number of rows or number of columns, so I can choose to skip row 1 to 2, or I could skip columns from A to C. I'm just going to connect to this file now to show you the options of a connected Excel file. So I'm going to connect to the Excel file here. And this will pull up my options like we've seen in some of the other videos. I can use my data credentials, or the viewer's data credentials would use microdata credentials. With this, the data freshness is checked every 12 hours. That's your only option. You can turn community visualizations on and off, field editing on and off, then explore or create a report. Here, I'm just going to pull up the official documentation for Looker Studio to show you some of the limitations with connecting Excel files. So as I said before, there's a limitation on the free version to 2 gigs in Excel files, but we can pump this up to 5 gigs if we use Looker Studio Pro 100 megabits per upload, then we can't connect to Excel online. Password protected files aren't supported, macros are not supported, and pivot tables are not supported. So in summary, you can connect to Microsoft Excel, but I would suggest changing your tabular data always into a Google Sheet because you've got so many more options. In the next video, we're going to be looking at connecting to Google Native Data Warehouse, and that is Google BigQuery.